Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a crucial topic that could save a life. Surviving a heart attack when you're alone. It's something none of us want to think about, but being prepared can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in with 5 essential tips to survive a heart attack alone. Tip 1. Recognize the symptoms of heart attack. The first step to survival is knowing what's happening. Classic signs of heart attack include chest pain or discomfort, usually pressure type, or squeezing on anterior chest, which may also involve the neck, lower jaw, upper abdomen, and the medial surfaces of the arms. You may also have shortness of breath, nausea, vomiting, sweating, dizziness, and others. If you're experiencing these symptoms, don't wait. Take action immediately. Tip 2. Call emergency services. Even if you're unsure whether it's a heart attack, calling emergency services is crucial. Dial to your local emergency number right away. They can guide you on what to do while they're on their way. Tip 3. Chew aspirin. If you're not allergic to aspirin, chew and swallow 1 adult aspirin. Aspirin can help prevent further blood clotting and reduce the damage to your heart. But remember, only do this if it's safe for you. If you're unsure, wait for professional advice. Tip 4. Stay calm and rest. This is one of the most important things to do, but a lot of people forget. If you get anxious, move around and worry, you are increasing the oxygen demand of your heart, which is bad for already oxygen-deficient heart muscle. Try to stay as calm as possible. Sit down and rest while you wait for help, and focus on taking deep breaths and keeping your heart rate as steady as possible. Tip 5. Have a personal emergency plan. If you're prone to heart issues or have a family history, create an emergency plan. Share it with a friend or neighbors who can check in on you. And keep important medical information handy. Keep your phone charged. Understanding your own heart health can help you react faster. And there you have it. 5 tips to help you survive a heart attack if you're alone. Remember, preparation and knowledge are your best allies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more life-saving tips.